Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. And well, a bit of a different one for me, guys, and this is the Beyond Meat. Now, I don't usually take trades like this. This was purely an emotional trade, okay? BYND. So if you didn't see the news, this happened at 9:15. So that green candle right there is just before the market opened. And this was the news. Now, I have I shouldn't allow my emotions to come into something like this, but we all read this. Beyond Meat announces Kim Kardashian will be featured in new campaign as the chief taste consultant. And based on that news, it just popped up like this. We all read that in the room, and I just had enough. I just said, this can't happen. This has to be shorted. And look what we did. I mean, varying stages of people shorting this one. I can't tell you how many in the trading room did this, but when we saw that news, we thought, come on. I mean, that was like let's let some sanity prevail. And so anyway, look at the drop. Now, I didn't get it right up here. I was more in this area here, but look at this drop, 26.54. I'd love to say that I shorted it all the way down to 22. I mean, this actually went negative. There's where it closed yesterday, right about here, I guess. So this actually went negative. I mean, it's now down $1.70 after being up to 27.44, right back down to 22. It made me feel good that the market saw right through this nonsense. That's what I call it. I'm sorry. I just can't, I can't believe a headline like that would cause it to pop up. I mean, I understand why it popped up, but we just took full advantage of the nonsensical, what the heck is a chief taste consultant? I mean, anyway, give me a break. And again, I rarely get emotional out of a trade. I don't usually take trades in the first 15 minutes, but I just had to do this one. So what made it great? It was what I called a really, crazy headline that caused it to pop. And then we just most of us piled in and shorted this one. And, again, I didn't hold it all the way down here. But anyway, that's what made it great. So hopefully, if you're in our trading room, you'll see stuff like this. So it's a free room, so come on in. Close this down. I open the room at 8 o'clock in the morning, Monday to Friday. That's 8 a.m. Eastern time, of course. So come in. And hey, man, I mean, we've got all sorts of great trades going on all day long. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock, and hope to see you then. Bye-bye.